Are you looking for an entry-level, luxurious SUV? My name's Logan Clair. I'm a sales consultant at Smail Lincoln in Greensburg, PA. I asked myself that same question recently, and let me show you why I went with the Lincoln Corsair. This particular model is the 2025 all-wheel drive Reserve 2 package. Same one that I got. It has numerous features that absolutely blew my mind, and I know it'll blow yours too. One of my personal favorite features for pure looks on the Lincoln Corsair that I feel like defines luxury is the grille. I absolutely love the grille on mine. I love the logo on the front. It's just a beautiful, clean look. The headlights have the new capabilities that they are starting to include in cars, to where the lights will adjust whether you're going up a hill, down a hill, when you're making turns. That way you get maximum visibility at all hours. Lincoln's very proud of its luxury and branding itself. I absolutely love how everyone, first thing they notice on the side is the big wording that just says Corsair. It just gives it an air of elegance. Lincoln Corsair also includes a 106.7-inch wheelbase, a 8-speed auto transmission, and a 2.0-liter GTDIA engine. As for warranties, it comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty, a 4-year, 50,000 pickup and delivery SVC, and a 6-year, 70,000-mile power terrain. Some of the other cool equipment included in the Lincoln Corsair is the rain sensing wipers, 360-degree camera, front parking sensors and rear parking sensors, reserve brake assist, a 12.3-inch color cluster display for the driver, and remote start that you can control through your Lincoln Way app or your key fob. The beautiful Lincoln logo across the back stating, "Be proud that you're driving a Lincoln," has a full LED tail light that lights up the whole way across so you can see whenever you brake at nighttime. Backup camera right there. It has the button as well as the kick assist. In the back, you have a 12-volt charger, a very bright light, and it has the buttons to even control the seats to drop whether the left or right seats. As you can see, it's so massive, I fit comfortably back here. Let's check out the back seats. The 25 Corsair also has a very spacious back seats, genuine leather, vented seats even to keep you cool or warm. Air controls up here. 2 USB chargers on the left side for the back passenger and 2 more for the person on the right. And check out how far back that panoramic sunroof goes. And the plus side about it is if the person in the back doesn't want this part open, but the 2 in the front do, it will close right here and can keep the people in the back completely cool in the shade. The 25 Corsair is also completely beautiful with the interior for the driver. Each one has either a wooden, or in this case, it's almost a metal-like look on the front. This one is a red interior, all genuine hand stitched with even accent stitching on the doors. Driver and passenger seat are controlled on the door as well. Heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel. It also has drivers 1, 2, and 3, and it will automatically move when you press the button for each of the main drivers, which you can name the profiles. Also, one of my personal favorite features is the ambient lighting. It has white, yellow, teal, red, blue, green, and purple. And each light that a driver prefers will save to their profile. So if driver 1 prefers blue, it'll stay blue, and you switch it to driver 2 and theirs is purple, the light automatically switches to purple. Also, another cool feature is the wireless phone charger in the middle console for optimal usage. And you even have a pretty deep middle console. 25 Corsair also has Sirius XM, which you get a free trial of if you go through us, a free 90-day trial, Android Auto for Android users, Googles and Galaxies, as well as Apple CarPlay for iPhone users. If you're interested in a brand new Lincoln Corsair like I was, please come see me at Smail Lincoln in Greensburg, PA, right off of Route 30, or visit us online at smaillincoln.com. We hope to see you soon.